So guys, this is my Plod Note. So AI note taker to and hindi ko in-expect na mataas yung demand dito sa product na to, especially medyo expensive yung price niya, I must say. Pero this is perfect for students, professionals, dun sa mga uma-attend palagi sa mga client meetings, may mga phone calls with client. So usually business purposes talaga. Gamit na gamit talaga tong Plod AI Note and for few weeks ko na siyang ginagamit. Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung pagno-notes dito kasi may mga times na hindi na talaga ako nakakapag-notes lalo na kapag may pinapakinggan ako online and in person mismo. So, napakaganda nito, very easy to use, very premium yung dating niya and also gamit na gamit talaga to when it comes to business purposes. So if you're interested in this one, check nyo yung mga reviews nito. Napakaganda. I'll just put the link down below and follow for more.